I want to be honest, photography is not the easiest career, especially when you're talking about post-production. Editing your photos can take hours, and I know that I've been a photographer for over 10 years. I've had the privilege of working with top brands like Ray-Ban, Shane, and my work has been published in multiple international magazines. I've also created online courses to help photographers like you to enhance their skills and elevate their work. Through my journey, I learned that the right edit can make all the difference. That's why I've developed a collection of Lightroom presets designed to transform your images with just one click. From bold and vibrant to soft and dreamy, these presets are versatile and customizable, allowing you to create stunning professional quality edits in seconds. Each preset is carefully crafted to enhance colors, bring out details, and create unique mood in your photos. They're really easy to use and customizable to fit to your style. These kind of presets are made for all kinds of situations and also for all kinds of cameras. No matter where you are in your photography journey, these presets will help you to create stunning, professional-looking edits in seconds. So how do you get these presets? First thing, you go to my website, you go to shop. First thing you're gonna see is happy customers and sharing a little bit about their experience. Then you will be able to go through the gallery and check what kind of presets suits more for your style. And also you will see the number of presets that you will get on each preset. For example, here 21 presets. Over here a little bit of the descriptions on how to use them, and that's it. Are you ready to take editing to the next level? Don't forget to subscribe and get 10% discount in your first purchase.